A lot of people say they're excited to start using the Rust programming language. Rust has been consistently rated one of the most admired programming languages for several years in developer surveys. But when you go to program something cool in Rust, you sit down, open VS Code, and then you realize you don't have any ideas for what to make. Developers who are tired of building the same old calculator app or the same Hello World over and over again, this video is for you. I'm Ryan, and this is Rust Me Up. I'm gonna bring you 3 awesome ideas and 2 bonus projects that I just wanna mention that you could write in Rust today. Here's the issue. Rust is one of the most powerful and exciting languages out there. But the biggest roadblock isn't learning the syntax. It's knowing what to build that actually matters, something actually useful to people, and maybe even something you could turn into a business. So let me give you a few real projects you could start right now. These aren't toy projects. These are the kinds of tools people would actually use and maybe even pay for. The first project that I think would be cool to be a Rust project is an open source teleprompter. Obviously, I'm biased because I'm on YouTube using one right now, but I think there's a market out there for a better option. Existing open source teleprompters like QPrompter are clunky and lack features that professionals need. For example, being able to pop the text out into an external window for a clean studio setup. With Rust and Tori, you could build a fast, secure, cross-platform teleprompter app. And here's the kicker. You can monetize it with subscriptions, premium features, or even have a Patreon for power users. That's a real business you could build on Rust. The second Rust project that I think you could start and maybe turn into a business would be a modern backup tool. Something lightweight, encrypted, and easy to use across platforms. Think of it as the Rust answer to old school bloated backup software. Privacy focused, dead simple to configure, and fast enough for real use. That's a product people would switch to in a heartbeat. Imagine being able to deploy your own version of OneDrive or Dropbox. Many people have realized how much that $200 per year OneDrive subscription really adds up, and they're looking for something better, more customizable, and what's more important, less tied to a big, hungry tech giant like Microsoft. The third project idea is a personal knowledge base app. Imagine making something like Notion or Obsidian, but written in Rust for speed and offline first design. You could have markdown support, graph views, encrypted synchronization. Everyone wants to own their own data instead of renting it, and Rust gives you the performance and reliability to deliver that promise. And now I've got 2 bonus Rust projects that already exist. I hope you can use them as inspiration for your next project. Or if you're looking to sit down and code today, these can be some really interesting places to start making your own open source contribution. The first is RustDesk, a self-hosted remote desktop tool that's fast, secure, and a real alternative to TeamViewer or AnyDesk. The second is called MELIsearch, an insanely fast and lightweight search engine that you can drop right into your apps. Both of these existing Rust projects show how Rust projects can be world-class and production ready. So if you're stuck wondering what to build next, stop making calculators. Start building tools people need. That's the key from moving from hobbyist projects to professional grade software, and maybe even your first Rust-powered business. What would you build in Rust if you had to ship it tomorrow? Drop your idea in the comments. I want to see what you're thinking. And if you like this and you're about to start whipping something up in Rust, click this video to learn how to be a better Rust developer.